Hello friends, today in this video I am going to share with you my top 7 websites where you can get free graphics that you can use in your KDP book publishing. Back when I started publishing my books, I didn't have any money to invest on premium graphics. So these 7 websites were really helpful in creating my KDP books. Now even though I use Creative Fabrica, but most of my graphics even to this day comes from these 7 websites. So you are going to find a lot of valuable information in this video. So without any further delay, let's head on to my laptop and let's take a look at these 7 websites. The first website in this list is openclipart.org. So as you can see in this website, here are over 168,000 clip art that is available for totally free of cost, and it can be used in your KDP books without any restrictions. So let's search for some animal clip art. So as you can see, here are over 2000 free clip art for animals that is available to be downloaded. So let's take a look at some of the clip arts here. So as you can see, you can use these clip arts to create various different coloring book as well as the cover of your books. So as you can see, various beautiful clip arts are available. So as you can see, so let's take a look at this clip art here. So as you can see, you can download your clip art in the SVG format and edit it in a vector editing software like Gravit Designer, Adobe Illustrator or various other vector editing softwares, or you can also download it in the PNG format. Let's take a look at the next website, and the next website is called pexels.com. In this website you can get free stock photos, royalty free images as well as video that you can use in any of your commercial projects. So various different photos and also videos are available in this website, and they are of really high quality. So let's search for some backgrounds that we can use to create our book cover. So as you can see, various different abstract backgrounds. So this is a really good one. As you can see, this is a really good background that we can use to create our book cover. It has got a really nice watercolor type effect. So similarly, this is also a good one. As you can see, this is a good one, and this is also a really nice background. As you can see, this is also some blackboard type texture that we can use to create our book cover. So in this way, Pexels is also a really good website. So make sure to check this website out. The next website that we are going to talk about is pixabay.com, and I don't think I need to talk about this website because I have mentioned this website on so many of my videos, and literally this is one of the best websites for getting free vector as well as raster based graphics. So let's search for some animals in this website. So the best part about this website is we can filter our search according to the type of image that we need. So let's say for instance we want vector images related to animals, so we can simply go on this vector graphics tab and look at various different vector images. So as you can see, various different high quality vector graphics are available in this website. So I really like pixabay.com, and it has been one of the major sources for getting all of my images while I create my books. So as you can see, these are really high quality animal related vector images that you can use to create your book cover as well as interior for various different coloring books. So let's take a look at another website, and the next website is unsplash.com. and this website is also one of the best website where you can get freely usable images that you can use in your KDP book publishing projects. So let's search for some watercolor textures here. So these are the advertisements by iStock. So let's look below. So as you can see, various different watercolor textures are available. So as you can see, this is a really nice one. So you can just click the image and download it for free and choose the size according to your needs, and the images download from this website is totally free to use for any commercial projects, and this holds true for all of the websites that I am showing you today. So now let's head on to our next website, and our next website is called clker.com, and this is the next website where you can get free vector related images that you can use in your KDP book publishing. So as you can see, various different clip arts are available. So what you can do is you can go ahead and search in this search bar, or we can simply just select here. So let's search for various different animals. So as you can see, various different clip art of different animals are available that we can use in our KDP publishing. So you can download this image in the PNG format and use it accordingly. And the next website in our list is called freesvg.org, and you can get various different SVG files that you can edit in vector editing softwares. So as you can see, various different SVGs are available, and all of the SVGs that are available in this website are under public domain, so you can use these images. So as you can see, various high quality SVGs are available that you can use in your coloring book interior or in creating your book cover. So you can get creative with it and create a book out of various different graphics that is available here, and all of these graphics are under public domain. And the final website in our list today is called publicdomainvectors.org, and this is another great website to get various different vector related images that you can use in your book creation process. So let's search for some flowers in this website. So all of the images that are available in this website, as the name states, is in public domain, so you can use the images without any restrictions. So as you can see, various different amazing images that you can use in your coloring book creation process are available in this website. So let's take a look at this one image here. So as you can see, this is a really nice image, really nice pattern of flower. As you can see, this image can be used in our coloring book. So I hope you enjoyed today's list, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Have a great Q4.